This is the home page of my personal project. The MailChimp page, by clicking, will take you to the MailChimp subscription page. The offer page with the Buy Now and the No Thanks button. Buy Now. Upsell page where the Buy Now takes you to the confirmation. Back on the upsell page, the No Thanks button will take you to the downsell page. On the downsell page, there's a Buy Now and a No Thanks button. Buy Now takes you to the confirmation page. And the No Thanks on the downsell takes you to the confirmation page. The Facebook page, by clicking, will take you to the Facebook. The contest page, a giveaway, by clicking on that, will take you to the Short Stack contest page. Here is the app on my personal project site with an About Us, Facebook reviews, a blog, and Facebook. And lastly, the confirmation page, which I just put a thank you button, and when you click that, it takes you back to the home page.